Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John, John Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Got another one of them lowriders for you from Street Dreams. I got the president of the car club, Mana, gonna go around this Lincoln. It's a 1993 town car belonging to Johnny and Christy Outlaw. He gonna give you all little details on it.
What's going on? As you can see, flaked out, red and silver flake. Got the Kandy with the flames and the water drop effect. Closer. See a little bit of fan action going on. Candied out patterns down the side. We ain't done yet. Take a look inside. Got that gator. Yeah. It's gonna be right for the streets. You're gonna see this all over 757.
Hey, could I back you up for a second?
Go ahead.
Could you open up them door jams again? You forgot that.
Okay. Let's go back to the jam. Understand? They line up with the graphics. New set of 13s, 13 7s, all chrome, ready for the streets. Water drops up here. Ghost flames in the Kandy. All that flake. It's ridiculous. Outlawed. And he's on his way to come see it for the first time since it's been done fully. Another one coming from the dreams.
Now y'all know I gotta jump in. It's your man Big John, John Restoration. Y'all know what I always say. All paint, no stickers. All paint.
Many hours of taping up.
Mana, Johnny, Jason, Jermaine, who am I missing? Courtney, Ryan, Ox.
All came up here and put hands on this.
Street Dreams family came up here to John's Restoration. We laid the base down. They came up here and laid out all their graphics on it. Y'all see it.
Get the headliner.
Yeah, I got it. All paint, no stickers. And all the red you see is Kandy, House of Color Kandy.
And it's laying frame.
Another one coming out of John's Restoration. The owner's on the way. It is a Tuesday night, 11:30. Cloudy outside, but they want it. They ready to hit the streets. Rain or shine, they ready to hit the streets.
It's wet.
Where they at? You said 20 minutes. I'm trying to keep the camera rolling.
15.
Oh, 15. I'm trying to keep it rolling. John's Restoration, where we do auto body and paint, whether it's factory or custom. Interior, stereos, rims, tires. Give us a call. We located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Phone number is 757-713-2277.